Welcome to Product Critique. In today's review, we're going to take a closer look at the Ozark Trail Deluxe Folding Camping Armchair, widely considered the best Ozark Trail XXL folding padded chair. If you're someone who enjoys outdoor adventures, whether it's camping, tailgating, or a day at the beach, this chair might just be what you need. Let's dive into the features that make this chair stand out. First up, the chair's design. It comes in a stylish wine red color, adding a bit of flair to your outdoor setup. The frame is made of either aluminum or steel, ensuring durability and support, with a sturdy construction that can hold up to your toughest adventures. Whether you're using it for a weekend getaway or just relaxing in the backyard, this chair is built to last. One of the standout features of the Ozark Trail Deluxe Folding Camping Armchair is its comfort. The seat is made from high-quality polyester, which gives you the perfect balance of softness and durability. Its armrests are designed for additional comfort, ensuring you can kick back and relax for hours on end. But comfort isn't the only thing this chair offers. It's foldable, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. Whether you're heading to a campsite or a family picnic, you won't have to worry about taking up too much space. And it's lightweight too, so carrying it won't be a hassle. The chair also features a solid backrest that supports your posture, making long sitting sessions feel effortless. Plus, it's easy to maintain. The polyester fabric is simple to clean. Just wipe it down after a long day outdoors, and it's good to go for your next outing. What about the practical features? This chair is perfect for outdoor environments, with its robust construction built to withstand all types of weather. The solid leg style ensures it stays stable on hard surfaces, giving you confidence as you sit back and enjoy your day. Finally, the chair's overall size is spacious, making it an ideal choice for larger individuals or anyone who prefers a bit more room to stretch out. Whether you're lounging around a campfire or watching a sports event, you'll appreciate the extra space this chair provides. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a high-quality, durable, and comfortable chair for your next outdoor adventure, the Ozark Trail Deluxe Folding Camping Armchair should definitely be on your radar. Its easy portability, comfortable design, and sturdy frame make it the perfect companion for any outing. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the best outdoor gear out there. See you in the next video.